There's a couple of screws I need to remove in order to get the mirror cap off. The first one is this one here, and this one, and then this one, and then I have to remove this whole motor in order for me to get into the screw behind here. And the fifth one I believe is somewhere up here. So it's always a good idea to mark these pins or these wires or these plugs that go in here, because they are exactly the same. So I'm going to make a mark that this one here is this one. This one is going to the right, and this one is going to the left. So I believe it's always good to mark them so that you don't mix them up. Let's move on with our screws. Finally, after a lot of fighting, the cover is out. Broke a couple of clips, two at the top here, which I'm not sure where they actually go. Okay, now I know where they go. Okay, that's fine. I've got screws, a couple of screws to hold this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not gonna go anywhere. Sorted. Let me go to the other one.
One eternity later.
Just got a phone call that our S4 mirror caps are finally ready. So now I'm on my way to fetch them. I can't wait. They look amazing on pictures, but I'm sure in person they will look even better. So let's get there and see how they look, pick them up, and then put them back on the S4 and see how it looks. I'm just gonna look sick. So let's not waste any time and get to the shop to fetch our S4 mirror caps. Wow, okay. No, these things really look nice. They really look nice. Okay. Wow, this is good, man. This is good work. This is looking great. You're right when you're saying in person they'll actually look much better than on picture. This is great, man. This is okay. No, this is good, and I like the lighting as well. It's coming out. It's not too dark and it's not too bright.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really, yeah. No, this is really good. This is really good. Okay. Oh, and then inside, then you finish them with black paint.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Fits in and blends in.
Yeah. No, this is good, man. This is really nice. Let me have a look at the other one. Okay. Okay. No, I'm happy. They really look nice. Okay. And are they dry now? Are they ready to go into the car?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Oh, and I like the blending into the into this side here.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. No, it's a different look altogether. No, I'm sure they'll definitely look nice on the car. I'm not sure if the excitement is coming through on camera, but wow, those things, they came out really, really nice. Guys, I can't wait to put them on the car. It's something different that I've never had before in my car, and it's a new experience. I'm excited to test it out and see how it goes. If maybe I like it, and if I enjoy it, and if quality is good and it lasts longer, then I'll definitely, have a couple of parts, carbon dipped and, all the works. But at this point, let's see how the mirrors hold up. But overall, the quality is really good. I'm excited. I have no words. I didn't know what to expect because this is my first time doing carbon dipping on a car part or any component for that matter. And honestly speaking, the job was done really nice. The job was done really well. Obviously, it's just a few things here and there, like paint here, and yeah, I think just here there's a bit of paint. I don't know if you can see that. Just here. I think this was a gloss black that they used, but other than that, I'm happy with how it came out, really. It's going to give the car a different look, and yeah, I can't wait to put them on the car, to be honest. Let's see how it's going to look like. So that's the other one, and then let's check out this one as well. Yeah, so this one is great. This part is okay. Obviously there's a bit of paint that ran here, but other than that, everything else is fine. Yeah, this is my carbon dipped mirrors for the S4. I'm excited how it's going to look. I can't wait to put them on the car. This is our mirror cap that's going on to the right hand side, or the driver's side, depending on where you are in the world. Again, I must say it really looks nice. I'm happy with how it came out, the weave and everything. It's my first time trying out this carbon dipping, so I didn't know what to expect, but it really came out nice. So let's put it on the car and then see how it changes the look. Based on my observation, I think what will work better is to have this indicator mounted on the cover first before I actually mount everything onto the whole headlight. So let's put this thing first into the cap. Once that is done, then I'm gonna carefully move in the housing onto the mirror itself. Just gonna lower it down. Yeah. Then ensure that all the plugs are not pinched, they're actually out. And these two. Okay. Right, now once I'm here, I'm gonna carefully press it down until it clips onto the mirror cap. Okay, one clip. trim tool, I'm gonna try and work this in. All the clips are in. No clip is broken. Everything is good. Just a glimpse. This is how it looks. Guys, it looks really nice. I'm happy with how it looks. I mean, from a distance, this came out really well. I'm happy. Yeah, no, it looks nice. It looks nice. Absolutely amazing. Now that we've got our mirror cap on, fitted properly, next up is a couple of screws to hold these two parts together, the bottom part of the mirror cap and the top part together. So let's do that. I'll play. And last but not least, remove this. Then there's one that goes in the middle here. Actually, it holds this thing. There's one long screw that holds this whole motor into the whole mechanism. So that one goes in. First off, I'm going to connect all the wiring and then simply place this thing back onto the. Okay, importantly, this thing has a way it gets seated here. Tuck the wires in nicely, then simply press it on like that. Then you're done. Well, what do you think? I think they look amazing. I'm happy with how they came out. It gives the car a different look, a different contrast, honestly, and that's something that I'm looking for. And at this point, I'm happy. We are slowly moving forward with our S4 project. And guys, comment down below. Let me know of your thoughts in terms of these carbon-dipped cover mirrors. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel because there's tons and tons of content, and also this is to help the channel grow. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.